went with this track because we knew that it was important overall for our university to have the type of track that would be attractive to our students, our potential recruits, but also to the community and to our coaches. We wanted to build our track or rebuild our track to track excellence, and we think that what we have done and the investment that we've made has definitely done a really good job for us.
With this new track, the injuries are at a minimum level. Before, at least about 40% of my team had knee or shin problems, but now with this new track, there are no injuries dealing with shins or knees.
When we're going out and we are recruiting young men and young ladies, they want to know where they can get better at. They're very savvy consumers. And so now we have a track we are building towards, and a facility that's building towards track excellence with some of the things that we've done here. So the investment is far-reaching. It's not just athletics, it's the community of Florida A&M University, and that community is far-reaching, both here locally, in the state, and across the nation. Now we get a chance to celebrate our history and create new history with the opportunity to have track meets, have other social events. We had planned for the track meet, and our date was the first weekend in March. And so we didn't have to look back or make any changes. And so that also led to our credibility of being able to tell people that we were going to do something on time and have it ready for it to be on display. And so Hellas did a great job at working with us and any necessary adjustments that need to be made, and working with facilities planning and construction, as well as our track coaches, and meeting the deadlines that need to be met.